Get him. Get him, Jordan. Don't let him beat up on you. Come on, Jordan. Woo! That's Scouty and Jordan mixing
All
it
of
up.
the wild.
I can't see Jordan because Scout's on top of him. Oh well, let's see. Jordan's hidden under Scout's little body. There he goes. There's Comet and Jordan. Where's Jordan's head? Where's Jordan's head in all this? Jordan, there you are. There's your head. There's your head. Is Scotty womping on you?
Answers the question, our golden retriever is vicious.
Oh, vicious, very vicious. Look at that.